Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I am Aina Nefa Hikmawati. I have a story for you. The title is The Rabbit and the Turtle. Happy watching! Once upon a time, there was a rabbit. Rabbit walked at the park and got a rest. At the time, the rabbit saw the turtle. The turtle was At that time, the rabbit saw the turtle walk so slowly. The rabbit went to the turtle and said hello. Hi, Sir Turtle. Why you walk so slow? Exactly, I'm not walking now, but I'm running, said Sir Turtle. What did you say? Running? Running is like this. The rabbit gave example. The rabbit ran so fast and made the turtle shocked and got angry at the same time. So rabbit, you are so arrogant. Let's arrest. Have a rest with you? You are a dirty, a dull turtle, a slow-toed turtle. I can win. Okay, said the rabbit. I can win, said the turtle. Okay, let's go. Tomorrow we'll meet here again to take a rest. The next day, they have already prepared to take a rest. The referee ready to start the racing. The referee said, 1, 2, 3, go! And then they ran the rabbit, and then they ran. The rabbit ran so fast and left the turtle behind. Catch me if you can, the rabbit said, but the turtle just smiled to him. Then the rabbit saw a restaurant. The rabbit said, I'm hungry. Turtle was still far from me, so I have time for it. The rabbit ate a delicious meal of fruit, cheese, and cake. After rabbit felt full, he ran away from restaurant, but he felt tired. So tired, I just have a few minutes to take sleep. Then I will run again. Not far from rabbit, turtle was still running. He is sleeping. I believe I can win, said the turtle. Suddenly, the rabbit woke up. Suddenly, the rabbit woke up. He jumped up and then he ran faster than before. But he was too late. Oh my God, what a shame! I am a loser, said the rabbit. The turtle said to the rabbit, because you are so arrogant, that's make you fail. Okay, the rabbit said. The rabbit felt embarrassed. He ran away from the turtle. Okay, that's all for this story. There is a moral value that we can get from this story. The moral value of the story is, don't be arrogant about your personality, because you are not perfect. Let God. Thank you.